Have you ever heard of scaling issues in geothermal wells? Scaling from geothermal fluids has been recognized as a major obstacle in the development of geothermal energy. But what's scaling? Scaling is the gradual buildup of mineralization on the inside of the loop or in the water source heat pump, and it is similar to pieces of concrete, and if left to build over time, this buildup can seriously restrict water flow. Do you want to know how our team plans to tackle this problem? We are designing and developing a novel device for the pigging process by using additive manufacturing to find an economical and efficient way to tackle scaling issues. In the pigging process, the device exclusively moves with applied pressure forces at the back plate of the device, and with the brush, acting as scale remover along the walls of pipes. The flow rates from senders and receivers can be 30% less than flow rates utilized in the pigging process of oil and gas industry. Thermal insulator confinement acts as a dual-action component performing scrapping and keeping the device sustained at high pressures and temperatures. But who are we? Our team Dreamer Geothermophiles comprised of distinguished faculties from University of North Dakota, with more than 40 years of experience in geothermal energy, and young highly motivated researchers from different scientific backgrounds, which allow us to outperform competitors because of the experience, knowledge, innovation, passion, and commitment to work that we have.